stretches through the rain. Rain hit hard enough to flatten breath, turned every trench to sucking death, turned blood to threads along the ground, turned names to mouths that would not sound. Then came the call from down the line, make room, they're coming through. Not riders, not reserves, not drums, just foremen bent beneath the wounded. One stretcher first, then three, then more. Canvas dark and dripping at the cords, boots sliding out beneath the weight. Hands wide on poles that shook with strain. Stretchers through the rain, cutting through the clash. Mercy with its shoulders down, walking through the ash. Stretchers through the rain, no trumpet on their side, just men who would not let the broken wash away and die. The arrows did not stop for that, neither did the shouting in the black. The enemy kept driving iron in, like pain had never seen a sacred thing. So I stepped out from shattered cover, raised the shield and shouted others to the left and one to right. Make them a war, make them a night. The carrier stumbled at my heel, the pole slid down, I heard him wheeze. I caught the front and felt at once how heavy one half-dead brother is. His arm hung out, his fingers blue, rain tapping on the knuckles through. His lips moved once with no real sound, still trying to say he wasn't gone. Stretches through the rain, cutting through the clash. Mercy with its shoulders down, walking through the ash. Stretches through the rain, no trumpet on their side, just men who would not let the broken wash away and die. There is a kind of holy rage that does not charge to win a name. It plants its feet in filth and screams. Not this one, not one, I still breathe. So every step became a fight, for ankle deep and blinding night, for one more yard through wheel rut mire, for one more body pulled from wire. I saw a torch go under mud, I saw a medic choke on blood, I saw a boy not old enough, still carrying the rear with split hands shut. And rain kept falling, hard and straight, as if the sky could not look away, as if heaven itself leaned low to count the ones we would not let go. Stretches through the rain, that was our song that night. Not victory, not silver speeches, burden held upright. Stretches through the rain and steel around the frail. The field still roared for death, but love kept forcing through the hail. By dawn the canvas rows were long, some made it through, some had gone, but every man we dragged from fire denied the dark its full desire. So let them sing of charges made, of walls brought down, of enemies flayed. I will remember something else, wet poles, numb hands, and brothers carried out of hell.